Welcome back to the channel where the art is always random and so am I. I just wanted to come here and make a quick video, draw this quick turkey looking bird thing, abstract or whatever it is. Anyways, so I just want to say happy Thanksgiving, happy holidays, or happy whatever you guys celebrate. And even if you're not celebrating anything right now, hopefully you're doing good. Shout out to my friends in Colombia, in Germany, in Canada, and everywhere else in the world, wherever you're watching this from. So yeah, have a good rest of the day and, enjoy family time or whatever. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. And I'm out. Thanks for watching.